Hello 11th class students. So this is your solution of your test. Question number 1, what is tuple? So Python tuples are the sequences that are used to store a tuple of values of any type. In this you can give example also. Question number 2, how are tuples different from list when both are sequences? So the answer is tuples are immutable sequences while lists are mutable. List can grow or shrink while tuples cannot. Next, question number 3. How can you say that a tuple is an ordered list of objects? So a tuple is an ordered list of objects. This is evidenced by the fact that the object can be accessed through the use of an ordinal index and for a given index. Same element is returned every time. Now question number 4. In this you have to check length of the tuple. So this is the tuple. Now the answer 4. The length of the tuple is 3. Why? In this T1 is equal to this A and 1. Now T2 is equal to B and C. In this T1 is also including. Now T3 is T4. T3 is T2, then D and 2. Now T is T3, then E and 3. So total 3 tuples are there. That's why the length is 3. Question number 5. What is slicing the tuples? So tuple slices are the subparts of the tuple extracted out. Indexes of tuple elements are used to create tuple slices. So this is the syntax. For example, this sequence is equal to T. You have to write the start and the stop point. Question number 6. In this you have to explain these index, count and the tuple method. So here index. So this method works with tuples in the same way it works with list. It returns the index of an existing element of a tuple. For example, T1 is this. You want to check the index for 5. It will give you 2. Now count. It returns the count of a member element or objects in a given sequence. For example, T1 is, this is a tuple. In this we have to check how many times this 2 is repeated. So it will give you 3. Now next is a tuple. So tuple, this is used to create tuples from the different types of values. Now next question number 7. So in this question number 7, we have to check are the following two assignments are same. Now T1 is 3, 4, 5 and T2 is this. So these two are same exactly, because in tuple if you do not write this parenthesis then also it will take it as a tuple. Now 3, in this also you can say this one and this one, these are also assignment statements. So these are also the these two are also correct, because by this way also you will create the tuple and this way also. So when you check T3 is equal to T4, it will give you the true value. Now question number 8, you have to find the error. So in this question when you check this, then this error will come, that is unsupported operand type S for plus int and tuple. Okay, this T1 is a int and this T2 is a tuple, because in T1 we are not assigned any comma here, so it is just taken it as a simple integer. Now in question number B, you can see we are just trying to change the index 0 value with capital A, so that it will give you the error, this one, that is type error, tuple object does not support item assignment, because in tuples are immutable, that's why it will not change. I hope these questions are clear. You have to check your answers also. So thank you and have a nice day.